Let us solve one more problem from IIT JAM 2023, and it's a section A, question number 14, and this question is basically from waves, okay, in modern physics. So in that question it is given that you have the phase velocity of transverse wave in one-dimensional crystal, that is given. The phase velocity of transverse wave in a one-dimensional crystal, that is given, Vp equals to sine of kd by 2 divided by kd by 2. That is provided. Okay. So then they have asked what will be the group velocity of this wave that you have to calculate. Okay. So let us solve the simple question. There is a trick here also. So as you know that the phase velocity of transverse wave I can represent like the Vp, that is nothing but omega by k, and this value is provided, that is nothing but c times sine of kd by 2 divided by k d by 2, right? It means, which implies that omega will be how much? Omega will be simply c times k divided by kd by 2 and then sine of kd by 2. Okay, I can see that k will be cancelled. So you have a factor c d by 2 that is constant and is a function of wave vector k, and d is the atomic spacing. Now I can calculate the group velocity. As you know that group velocity of this wave I can represent like d omega by dk. So if I differentiate this, okay, I'll basically get that group velocity of this wave. So we have a factor c d by 2 that is constant. So there will be no differentiation of this factor. Just have to differentiate sine function with respect to k. So as you know, it will be cosine of k d by 2. Then further you have to differentiate this function with respect to k, and that will provide d by 2 factors. And this d by 2 will be cancelled with denominator d by 2. As a result, I'll get the group velocity of this wave, that will be c times cosine of k d by 2. Okay. So this will be the answer. So according to that given set, the correct option will be B. Group velocity of this wave will be c times cosine k d by 2. Thank you.